Mindmap is an AI tool for planning, brainstorming, writing, journaling, taking notes, and much more. It's a native macOS application, and this is how it works. A node map is a set of nodes and their children. Each node map has a title, a color, a shape, a size, and the icon. You can also add more details in here, so I can press Shift E. Now I can take my notes in here by myself, or I can also use AI to write it for me. So I can say, write what is mind mapping, write a brief introduction. Now AI will come up with the introduction for me. You can also ask AI to further improve some parts of it. So you can give it the selection and give it the prompt from here, or you can also run this prompt on the whole thing that you have written as well. Now you can also use AI on the mind maps as well. So let's say that I need to brainstorm the features that I can add to node map. So new file, and I can click AI to generate mind map. Give me the features that I can add to an innovative AI powered mind mapping tool. Now AI will use this information and come up with the mind map for me that I can use as a base and further improve it with the notes, tasks, and stuff like that. So if you see here, it has prepared this mind map for me, and it has listed all the features, so I can remove some, add some, and once I'm happy with it, I can also start capturing my tasks as well. So I can press Shift T, or I can add tasks from here and keep on entering my tasks in here. Once I'm done, I can mark them as done, and they will show up as a progress bar on the nodes as well. I can also add my attachments in here. So let's say that I'm looking at some other tool as a inspiration. So I can click add attachment, and I can upload my files in here. Now, if you have one file, it will show up like this. If you have multiple files, and they will show up in here, you can click to view it or delete it as well. You can also use this for presentation as well. I've been using it. So you can click present and start presenting different things that you have listed in here. I can press right or left arrow keys to go through different nodes and give my presentation. Now you can also use AI on the nodes itself. So let's say that I am preparing this and I have a new node called mind mapping introduction, or what is mind mapping. Now I can right click AI, and I can ask AI to generate the branch for me. So for example, it has prepared this for me. Or I can also do stuff like, for example, why would anyone care, and right click AI again and say generate questions, and I can also use it for generating questions that I might want to ask myself before I build this. Now all these prompts are configurable. So if I go to the settings and I go to the integration, so first of all, we have integration through all these providers. So you can pick Gemini, Claude, or whatever you want to use. You can pick the model from here. You can add your own API key, and all of this stays on your local machine. It never leaves it. So you don't have to worry about security at all. And prompts are configurable as well. So these are the prompts that are used for generating nodes. And we also have the prompts for the nodes feature as well. So they are used inside the edit node dialog that we have. Now we have multiple themes as well. So you can pick the theme that you like and adapt it according to your style. Now we also have another feature called daily. What you can do is you can enable this and assign it a shortcut and give it the folder. And whenever you are here, you can press Command Shift D. It will open up the node for the day, and you can take your meeting notes in there, tasks for the day, and let's say journaling. Anything that you want to control or keep for the day, you can also keep it here with the date with a simple shortcut. Everything is stored on your local. So if I right click and reveal in Finder, you will notice that all my files are stored in here. So you can sync them to Dropbox, iCloud, or wherever you want to store or sync, you can sync them yourself. And lastly, we have everything controlled by shortcuts. So if you don't want to use your mouse, you can press Shift ? To get all the shortcuts that we have, and you can control the whole application with just the keyboard. You don't even have to use your mouse. There's a lot more to cover. We have a lot of things in here that I have not covered in this video. I would urge you to go take a look, download it, and see how you can further use it.